ביאור משנה ו', explanation for משנה ו'. רבי אליעזר אומר, רבי אליעזר says, נוטל אדם קיסם משלפניו. A person is eating, finished his meal, and he's got some things on the floor. He needs a toothpick, you know, from the woods that's right over there. So we said the wood is only for what?
For fire.
For fire. So Rabbi Eliezer Omer, this is Rabbi Eliezer from before, you see? Actually, I'm not even sure it's the same. Before it's Rabbi Elazar, now it's Rabbi Eliezer, it's another guy. Rabbi Eliezer says, Notel Adam kesam mishelefanav. A person is allowed to take a toothpick that's in front of him, min hamunach lefanav bebeito. He's got some woods over there. In other words, this he allows you to take. I don't think Chachamim will allow you to do that, by the way.
You pick a piece of wood
Yeah, but I think the Chachamim, like we learned,
use it as a tool.
Yeah, the Chachamim will only allow you to use it for burning. Yeah, לחצוץ בו שיניו, להוציא את שיירי האוכל, to use it as a toothpick, to take the food particles שנתקעו לו בין שיניו, that are between his teeth. הוא מגבב מן החצר. And also he's allowed to what? To collect, מלקט קיסמים, אפילו מכל החצר. He's allowed to go around the entire yard and look for toothpicks. הוא מדליק תחת קדרתו, and he is allowed to go through his entire yard to pick up wood to put under his, to light, to cook. שכל מה שבחצר מוכן, that he says, everything that's in the yard is like it's prepared. יש מפרשים, there are those who explains, שמה שנקט נוטל אדם כסם משלפניו, that he says that a person is taking from what in front of him, לאו דווקא הוא, he doesn't mean that exactly. אלא אפילו ממה שבחצר מותר לו ליטול. He means anything in the yard. I can go and make toothpicks from any place in the yard. ולא נקט משלפניו, and the only reason he says from in front of him, אלא משום חכמים החולקים, because soon we're going to learn about the sages that says you're not allowed to do that. על רבי אליעזר, וסוברים שאפילו משלפניו אסור ליטול כיסא חוץ בשביל. They say you're never allowed to make a tool. What do you mean? This wood is only for burning and for nothing else. We don't let you do it. וחכמים אומרים, חכמים says, are very strict over here, we're going to say. Chachamim says you have wood in the yard, yeah? You're not allowed to take from any wood in the yard. The wood that's close to you. That's you're allowed to cook. You're not allowed to look for the good ones over there. Whatever wood is around you, that's collect, put in the fire. Don't go start...
You can't do it for your...
Oh, we'll see. It doesn't say yet. חכמים אומרים, מגבב משלפניו ומדליק. חכמים נחלקו על רבי אליעזר בשתי דברים. They disagree on רבי אליעזר in two things. What are the two things? שאין, number one, you're not allowed to make tools. This is only for burning. אין אדם נוטל קיסם אפילו משלפניו לחצות בשניו. Even if it's in front of you. You're not looking at it far. You're not allowed to make a vessel. Wood is only for burning. שלא ניתנו עצים אלא להסקה. Because we permitted wood only to burn. אבל לא לכל שימוש אחר מוקצים הם. But for anything else, you're not allowed to use it. And then even that, this says, you're not allowed, even for wood, even for burning, don't go around all the yard. Whatever available right in front of you, that's only we allow you. שאף לצורך הסקה לא מותר לו לגבב אלא מה שלפניו בביתו. But even then, the things that are close to you, you burn. Because otherwise, you're going to use it as an excuse to start cleaning the yard. They're afraid. Yeah. Oh, I'm just picking those ones. Why are you picking those ones? What's wrong with these ones? Because I don't want them there. You know, that's going to happen. So he says, no. The first wood availability to you, that's when you go and burn. You don't start to, and I want this one, it's a nicer one. No such thing. אבל מן החצר אסור. But from the yard, it is prohibited. שואיל, why? ויש צורך לגבב את הקסמים שבחצר. So since you have all these kinds of woods in the yard, and it's a hard work to pick them up from all over the place, לא הייתה דעתו עליהם ערב יום טוב. The Chachamim says you didn't think about them. You thought about maybe the wood that's right next to the oven. That's what you thought about. You didn't think the wood on the, next to the gate over there. That's too far. You wouldn't have thought about it. והם מוקצים. Therefore they are מוקצה.